serial number 5151677, final testing of EL panel, camera calibrating. There we go. Controller on. Should see some activity on the thermal. Zoom into the area with the most activity, which is of course the power. And do a auto focus. Looking good so far. Let's check the temperatures over here. 124, 126, which is normal on this MOSFET. 126.6. That's within range. 108, 108, 109, 106. Perfect. 107, 107, 107. Yep. Nothing is going above the maximums. 136. Still good. Alright. We'll leave that running for a couple hours and check back with it.